Ain't nobody gonna break on my stride. Ain't nobody gonna slow me down. Oh no, I'm still good at makeup. Fuck off if you're telling me that. You don't know who you're talking to. Oh no, I am RawBeautyKristi. Somebody the other day had the nerve to tell me that I suck at makeup now. And look, I get it. I have not put my best foot forward as far as makeup is concerned much since I became a mama. Now, that's because I was dead inside for a really long time, okay? I really was. And to be fair, when you're constantly outside digging in chicken shit, the last thing I want to do is have on a smoky eye. But we are here to prove that I can still do makeup. I'm here to show you she's still here. RawBeautyKristi, she's still here. She can still do makeup. Damn it. If you watched one of my videos the other day, it probably was up before this. I, in that video, showed you who I once was, okay? That is the look. That is it right there. I want her back. She is back today, and we are gonna do the slayiest of slay-ass makeup, and you are going to eat your words. I do not suck at makeup. I think. Interrupting today's video to thank today's sponsor, which is Delete Me. If you don't know who they are, Delete Me is a hands-free subscription service that will remove your personal data that's being sold online. Did you know they sell your data online? Yeah, I mean, I obviously knew that my information was out there, but I didn't realize that your personal data is being sold by online brokers. But you have the right to stay private and protect your personal information, and that is why I personally choose to use Delete Me. I personally chose to use Delete Me to keep myself and my family much safer. Since using Delete Me, my information has been removed from over 120 different sites and counting. It's such good peace of mind to know that they are out there doing that on my behalf and continually doing so. Signing up was extremely fast and efficient, and it was a non-issue. When someone buys your data via a data broker, they can see information about your relatives, so you can also protect your family members and get a family plan. Delete Me helps keep your personal information private. Removing your data can help protect you from the risks of identity theft, stalking, harassment, the list goes on, unfortunately. So how does Delete Me work? Well, you submit your personal information for removal from search engines, and Delete Me experts will find and remove your personal information like your address, your phone number, etc. You'll then receive a detailed Delete Me report in 7 days, which will talk about all the different websites that they've contacted, which ones you're removed from, which ones are in the process of removal, etc. They also continue to scan and delete for you all year long, so it's not just a one-time thing, it's continuous. You guys can get 20% off of Delete Me's US consumer plans when you go to joindeleteme.com/Kristi and use promo code Kristi at checkout. That's joindeleteme.com/Kristi, code Kristi. And I thank you so much to Delete Me for deleting me off the internet. I thank you so much for sponsoring today's video as well. And now we're gonna hop back into what I am capable of, all right? You just gotta, this is a glimpse, but don't you ever say I suck at makeup again. We're grabbing a straight edge. We're gonna get started, and I'm gonna show you the bitch is back. I'm starting off with priming my lids. All right, and we're taking it old school today, my friends. We are going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam. I couldn't believe it. I was like, I saw that comment come through because I made a comment the other day and I said, you know, my makeup looks pretty good in person. It just, for some reason on camera, it's not looking good. And somebody said, don't lie, your makeup doesn't look good in person. You suck at doing makeup now. So then I thought, do I suck at doing makeup? And you know what? I don't know, because I don't really do it that often anymore. So we're about to find out if I do. We're gonna do it. We're gonna see. I got my straight edge. You could use tape, you could use whatever you have, but I'm using this little card that came in my Colourpop box. I'm gonna get a little brush. This is the Sigma and Samantha Ravindal detailed blending brush. And I'm gonna hold this right here, a bit of an angle, following my lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with Cypress Umber. We're gonna do a little one of these. You're gonna rue the day you said I suck at makeup, bitch. We're gonna soften that up. Don't you worry. Not that any of you were worried, so you have full faith in me. Ain't nobody gonna break on my stride. Ain't nobody gonna slow me down. Oh no, I'm still good at makeup. Fuck off if you're telling me that. You don't know who you're talking to. Oh no, I am RawBeautyKristi. Ooh, but where's the suck, huh? Is the suck in the room with us right now? All right, so now we're gonna suck even more by cutting a crease. And you know what? I can do it. You know why I can do it? Because I'm still good at makeup. All right, let me find a good cut crease brush. This'll do. All right. So you see where this connects right here? How it looks really not good right now? It will, because I'm going to blend it in over the top of that. I'm gonna have like a fade in. Feel like all the colors in this palette, are any of them really champagne-y? I guess that one's sort of champagne-y. Let's see, it's kind of gold though. I kind of want more champagne. Ain't nobody gonna break up my stride. So now I'm gonna go in with glistening from that palette, and I think it might be a little gold, but I feel like it could work. Maybe I need a little bit more. Actually, that's kind of lovely. So I'm just taking it on my finger down below and then closer up to the top. On that edge, I'm going to stamp it on with a brush. I feel like I need a tad bit more pink in with this. So I'm gonna go with sultry in a second, just to kind of add a little bit of that champagne-y rose color in. Like a little bit, don't worry, it's not, don't worry. Stop worrying. I know you were all worrying about this very specifically serious moment. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the color Rustic mixed with a little bit of burnt orange, and I'm going to tap that right here. Liner time. Taking a little bit of Noir mixed with Cypress Umber. Where did my paper go? Paper go, paper go, there it is. All right, I'm gonna toss my lashes on real quick. These are some lashes, all right? These are my lashes, actually. Cause I'm fucking RBK, all right? I came out with lashes. I'm somebody. I'm no suck at makeup. I had a makeup collection. I had 2 makeup collections, okay? I ain't no bitch. These are my lashes that I came out with Pure, and these are the style Lovely. And boy, are they dramatic. 2020 Kristi was a little bit of a drama queen, wasn't she? They're dramatic. But they're giving. They're giving. I don't know what they're giving, but they're giving it. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of bronzer because I have freckles on today and they are so beyond cute that we just gotta accentuate those little suckers a little bit. But we also need eyebrows because I really don't have my eyebrows on yet, do I? Let's do brows real quick, and that will bring all the eye look together, because when you don't have your brows on, it just kind of all falls flat, you know? You need that structure. I haven't worn big lashes like this in a long time. But I had to just see what I looked like. You know, I had to just bring her back a little bit. See if she was still in there. Oh, she's here. All right, so let's go in with bronzer now. Blush. I guess if you give a mom 3 hours, she can look like this. Oh, I look like such a bitch, and it is so good. Don't I? Don't I look like somebody that would be like... All right, now I need a little tone down. No highlight today, we don't need it. And then I'm gonna... And this is the finished makeup look. I don't suck at makeup. Proved it to myself. This looks really good. I feel really pretty. The lashes are a bit intense. 2020 Kristi, like I said, she was dramatic. She was intense. She liked them big, she liked them curly. I still do, but you know, maybe a half lash for me these days. But other than that, I feel like my blending is immaculate. I love the colors. Soft Glam is still that bitch. RBK, still that bitch. So don't ever say it again. I don't suck at makeup. Actually, I'm not really butthurt by the comment as much as I'm making this video, so I'm being dramatic. All right, well, that is today's video. Hope you guys enjoy seeing me do more glam, do something more intense, kind of take it back to the roots. And I had a lot of fun doing it. I love this makeup look. I feel really pretty in it. And that's the thing, it's just makeup, it washes off. Who gives a shit? Literally nobody. It's really not that deep. It's makeup, but it's really fun, and be nice to people. okay? Don't challenge me, or I'll do a regular ass brown smoky eye on camera with a bad attitude. All right, well, I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you at my next video.